In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on this Buick Encore. It's going to be located on the back side of the engine. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector for the map sensor. There's a little lock tab on top. I'm just going to use a pick. Just pull it towards the front of the vehicle. And then we can push down on the tab. Disconnect the connector. Just move this hose up a little bit just so you can see. There's a screw right there. Using a T15 socket. Take the screw out. This is a screw. Grab the sensor and just pull it up. And there's the old sensor. Take the new sensor, just get this lined up, push it down in place. I'll put the screw in, get that started by hand. Snug that down, take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, and then push down on that lock, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.